to our quick tour of Negros Occidental and Davao Occidental. Mayong gabi sa tanan, ako si Kit og akong i-introduce ang Negros Occidental. Negros Occidental is known as the sugar bowl of the Philippines. And Negros Occidental consists of 13 cities. Their capital is Bacolod City. Bacolod City is known as the City of Smile because of its Mascara Festival. Now, let's move on into Davao Occidental. Did you know Davao Occidental is part of Davao del Sur before? But because of politics leader, it was divided into two. And Davao Occidental is consist with 5 cities. Don Marcelino, Santa Maria, Jose Abad Santos, Sarangani, and Maleta as their capital. Davao Occidental is known as the slashers because they live by slashing banana and coconut.